Right guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, just a brief video, going to go around and show you sort of all of the various projects that we have on the channel. With that said, what I'll try and do is put some sort of link in the description as well to each project. Again, so if you'd like to go back and take a look at how some of this was built. As well as that, guys, I'm just going to show you a few of the plants that have grown a bit since our last video that you may not have seen if we were looking at some of the pond stuff here. But with that said, of course, the other thing, guys, just to mention a huge thank you to you guys, the viewers. We've just recently hit 900 subscribers, so I can't thank you guys enough for all your likes, comments and views. So with that said, guys, really loving the amazing community we're building here. So just as we go around, guys, just in front of you here, you've got the raised planter just down here. There is a video on this one here, so of course we've got the contemporary pond and we've got this kind of raised planter here. Now this project, again, fairly short project, but not completely finished yet as well, guys. I do need to go back and kind of rejoint all this, but again, a lot of this is kind of get the positioning, make sure I'm happy with the project, before making it more permanent. Just so we come up here, guys, and just to show you one of the things that has come out, the camellias. Some lovely flowers on these. This one is the white variant. We've also got the red, which I'll show you in a second here. That has started to come out as well. But just taking a look down, another project that is starting on the channel is going to be this raised bed here. This is going to be off the back of the kitchen area that we are also building. Again, that will be an upcoming project on the channel here. Just following down, guys, we've got one of the first of our water features. This one is the kind of contemporary one where the water would come out from the top, round through here, and then run over the siltstone. Again, interesting project if you're interested to see how that was created. Just coming around here onto the rec pond project. Now this one is the ongoing project at the moment. You can just see here, this is our natural swimming pond build. A lot of work to still do on this, guys, but certainly check out the build progress as we go. Coming over here, guys, another project that we've only just recently built, if you have not seen that one yet, is this pondless water feature. Now, I've not got this one running at the moment, but again, it's more built as kind of like a trickle stream. Still need to plant all this up around here as well. Just coming along, another one that has grown, guys, the baby Dixonia. You can just see here, lovely little fronds and crosiers coming out. This was one of the first of my tree ferns to kind of wake up for the year. So always nice to see, again, on that side. Now, with that said as well, guys, content-wise as well, just to mention, we do a lot of videos on, different plants, how to take care of them, the various care tips and suggestions. So certainly, check out those videos as well. Just we come down here, guys, this is our floating pathway project, which really, guys, it is kind of all linked, if you will. This could be just classed as one big project here. But again, I've been doing it in sections, putting out content so that you guys can kind of follow along with the project, see how things are built. And as well as that, guys, of course, always love the suggestions, get some great comments, some great ideas from you guys. And in the most part, guys, I do implement a lot of what you guys mention here. Just coming around here, guys, again, just to show you the front of this sort of water feature here. Again, this stream and build all on the channel, guys. So if you're interested to see how all of this was created, again, still an ongoing project, but just to kind of point that one out. We've just started this one here. Again, this will be another fall stream going in. You can just see some of the work on that. So some content coming on that one soon as well. Just as we come around off the back here, guys. As we step into the middle. Now this area is an ongoing project, as you can see, looks a bit messy here. Currently thinking about adding a bed here, raised bed there, so great ideas that you have for sort of, I guess you would say, a specimen plant, something evergreen. It is in the center of the garden, so I kind of want this to be like almost like a feature plant. So this planter is going to be quite important, I think, once we do get it in. This blank space here, guys, we are putting a playscape in for the kids. I do have 5 kids. They do love the garden, and again, with that said, guys, I always like to keep them entertained as well. So keep an eye on that. That will be coming soon, probably over the next few months. Again, just kind of change the effect of the garden here. Onto the putting green, guys. Again, we have a video on that, sort of constructing it, how it was kind of built and everything like that. Also, another video out, guys, as well, about the pros and cons of artificial grass, if that is an area you're considering for your garden. Just as we come around here, guys, We've got our 6-hole mini golf course. Again, project on the channel. Took quite a lot of time to build this project. We've got sort of 4 ponds on the project as well. So just to show you here, you've got this sort of floating pathway pond that has a little stream bed. Again, these all need their solar pumps installed on that. You've got the Finger Lake pond, as well as off of hole 2 on the back here, guys. You've got another small pond and trickle stream, and the most recent little mini pond to go in as well. So just taking a look back on the project, guys. Again, you know, maybe not something everybody's interested in, but as it is a feature we've built in the garden, just thought I would mention that if you are interested in sort of constructing these or thinking of building something similar yourself, I got a lot of videos and tips on that as well, guys. And also involved with laying artificial grass, so if you do want some kind of guidance on how you can do that yourself, save a lot of money in the process, certainly a lot of content around that as well, guys. Just panning up here, guys, and we'll just come up to the center. And just as we go through here, guys, as I say, this is really just to kind of highlight some of the previous content we've got on the channel, just for anybody who may be interested in, you know, some of these projects, if you're kind of looking at it for the first time and, you know, wondering how it was built, or, you know, had questions on that. Of course, guys, always happy to answer any questions, give you any tips you may need. In the center here, guys, this little water feature here with trickle stream up here, which is got our sempervivum bed. As you can just see here, guys, loads of the sempervivums and sedums. Again, this was an older project. Water would typically come down from here all the way down into this sort of almost a bit of a pondless stream here, if you will. Now, unfortunately, guys, when I was installing this palm here, I did actually chop through the cable to this pump, unfortunately, which you can just see there. So I do need to reinstall a new pump on that one there. But just coming around, guys, as mentioned, one other area just to show you briefly. And we just mentioned about the sort of camellias and things. One of the camellias on the mini golf course, but I don't know if I'd got a good pan on that, is just come into flower. And you can see here, really lights up, very pretty plant. Lots of buds still to open on this, but again, kind of one of those signs that spring is here and on its way. So with that said, guys, just to pan back around, there are a few other projects as well, some of the smaller stuff, but really just to kind of highlight some of the main projects that we've got going on. You know, with the channel, guys, I'm trying to really make some content that's kind of varied, so, you know, all the different areas of gardening. So it could be you're laying your artificial grass, could be your you know, planting up of palms, taking care of your Musabastu bananas, how to overwinter those, also protections for some of your more tender palms like the butia in the back there. So again, guys, just really just wanted to you know, just bring up the projects that we've got. Again, few more to come, and with that said, guys, as mentioned, of course, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you know, all your comments, likes, and shares. If you're not subscribed yet to the channel, certainly feel free to do so. We have an ever-growing friends of the channel list as well, so check out the pinned comment. Lots of other channels to check out if you're not already subscribed to them. Again, find with a lot of the channels, guys, everyone's got sort of a unique gardening you know, experience, but also unique styles of planting, hard landscaping as well. So really, guys, just a plethora of knowledge and great ideas for you coming into the spring here as we all get excited, get back in the garden and start planting up again. Another thing to mention, guys, what you're looking at in my garden right now, this is my 5th year garden in Leicestershire, UK. Now, most of this has been planted by myself and has grown in the 5 years. We've installed quite a few of the palms and things like that. But also, guys, as we are sort of at the end of March at the moment, what you are looking at is pretty much my evergreen backbone in the garden. A lot of the sort of, I guess you want to call it, perennials have not come back up, so like your colocasia pink China's got a lot of these around the garden. A lot of the ferns haven't come out yet. The bananas, as you can see, starting to put out a decent amount of growth since we've unwrapped those. But Of course, guys, yeah, this will all really fill in, and over the next few months here, really does change the effect of the garden as well. If you're interested in kind of seeing what that looks like, take a look at our October tour last year. That gives you an idea of some of the stuff that is sort of still sleeping at the moment and, on its way back out. So just with that said, guys, yeah, really thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy all the content. And with that said, we'll see you on the next one.